How to fix Instagram login problem. If you want to fix your Instagram login problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have your internet connection, you won't be able to log into your account. Once done, you need to go with your control center. Once you're in your control center, you need to turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds. After that, just wait like 10 seconds and then again turn it off. Once done, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then open up your app store. From your app store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Instagram. After searching for your Instagram, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. So in my case, I have an update. I'll just simply tap on update, and within a few seconds or a few minutes, it will be updated depending on your network connection. After updating, you need to go back and then open up your Instagram or launch your Instagram application. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Now, once you're on your login page, you can go and enter your credentials like your username, email address, or your mobile number, and then your password, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with forgotten password, and here you need to enter your email address or your username. After entering, go with continue, and then you will receive an OTP on your either your phone number or your email address. And after entering that OTP or your code, go with continue, and that's it. Go and choose your account, and you'll be logged in. You can create a new password, or you can just simply go and skip this part, and that's it. That's how you can log into your Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.